SuperATV GDP Portal gear lifts, precision engineered, built to take on the extreme. SuperATV's GDP Portal gear lift kits make it possible for you to have more ground clearance, bigger tires, and the needed torque to power your UTV through any obstacles. With 4-inch, 6-inch, or 8-inch lifts available, SuperATV offers the widest range of lifts anywhere. GDP Portals offer options of 15% and 30% gear reduction options on the 4-inch, 30 or 45% gear reduction on the 6-inch, and 45% gear reduction on the 8-inch lifts, allowing you to have the ground clearance and torque to take on whatever stands in your way. GDP Portals let you have the choice of height and tire size you want without compromising horsepower. Offered in both cast and billet aluminum options and put through rigorous tests for strength, durability, and performance to make sure they exceed your expectations. SuperATV's GDP Portal gear lifts. Take on the extreme.